Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on April 9th, 2026, about 2 days ago. Well, it introduces a way to more than double the generation speed of diffusion language models, specifically increasing tokens per forward pass from about 2 to nearly 5.5 on reasoning tasks, while maintaining about 92% accuracy. The paper is titled DMax, Aggressive Parallel Decoding for Diffusion Language Models. And as we'll see later, the results for enabling high-speed text generation are quite significant. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Alright, Figure 1 illustrates the difference between the standard LLADA 2.0 mini baseline and the proposed DMax approach. On the left, we see traditional binary decoding, where a mask either remains a mask or becomes a final token. The right side shows DMax using hybrid embeddings, which are flexible representations that allow the model to refine its predictions over several steps. This self-refinement enables aggressive parallelism and increases the tokens per forward pass from 2 to 5.5. Alright, Figure 2 details the on-policy uniform training strategy, which provides the foundation for self-correction in diffusion language models. The top branch represents standard mask denoising, while the bottom branch uses an on-policy rollout. This means the model generates training data by predicting tokens itself, exposing it to potential errors like bat instead of cat. Consequently, the model learns to recover clean tokens from its own errors using cross-entropy loss, a mathematical rule for measuring prediction accuracy. So, Figure 2 established the training ground. Now, Figure 3 illustrates the inference process called soft parallel decoding. This method represents each token as a hybrid embedding, which is a mixture of the predicted token and the original mask. By weighting these components based on confidence, the model carries uncertainty across steps instead of making premature commitments. Eventually, these probabilities converge, as seen in the red dashed boxes, allowing the system to decode high-quality text in just a few passes. Alright, while Figure 3 showed the mechanism, Table 1 presents the performance gains across several reasoning and coding benchmarks. In the Math and Reasoning section, DMax Math reaches 5.5 tokens per forward pass on GSM 8K, more than doubling the standard baseline. This metric, tokens per forward pass, represents the average number of tokens generated in a single model calculation. Similar efficiency gains appear in the code generation benchmarks, where the speed more than doubles while accuracy remains stable. Well, while Table 1 listed specific data points, Figure 4 visualizes the trade-off between speed and accuracy across 4 benchmarks. The purple lines represent the original LLADA 2.0 mini, which shows a sharp drop in accuracy as the tokens per forward pass increase. In contrast, the green lines for DMax maintain stable performance because the self-revision capability prevents errors from cascading. For instance, on the MBPP coding benchmark, accuracy stays near 80% for DMax, while the baseline collapses towards 0 at high parallelism. So, while Figure 4 showed the overall stability of DMax, Table 3 provides a detailed ablation study to isolate which components actually drive these improvements. Table 3 compares variations of the training and inference methods across different decoding thresholds, where lower thresholds imply more aggressive parallelism. The on-policy rollout, which is the training strategy where the model learns from its own generated noise, is clearly essential because accuracy collapses to 0% without it. Finally, combining on-policy training with hybrid embeddings achieves the best balance, reaching over 6 tokens per forward pass while maintaining 90% accuracy. Ultimately, DMax proves that diffusion language models can achieve significant speed gains through aggressive parallelism without sacrificing accuracy. By replacing rigid binary transitions with a flexible, self-correcting process, the model successfully overcomes the fundamental challenge of cascading errors during generation. This framework sets a high bar for future research into real-time text generation for complex reasoning and programming tasks. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.